Here's the deal, folks. If you've ever dreamed of capturing tiny worlds and making even the teeniest bug look like it just walked out of a blockbuster movie, then the 7artisans 60mm 2.8 Mark II macro manual focus lens is your new best friend. And yes, it's for Fuji cameras. Want to see a fly's eyeballs in HD? Now you can! Manual focus? Think of it like driving a stick-shift sports car. Sure, it takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, you're zooming in on everything from flower petals to, well, more fly eyeballs. The bokeh on this lens? So smooth you'll think you're in a dream sequence. Even a shot of your breakfast looks gourmet with that creamy blur. And did I mention it's lightweight? You won't need a back brace after a day of shooting. Bottom line, this lens takes your photography to a whole new level. So zoomed in, you'll see stuff you didn't know existed. Buy it, use it, and prepare for some really weird but awesome close-up photos. With this lens, it's not just another bug hunt. Remember to keep your powder dry and keep shooting. Later!